Alright, so we're going to make the Automoblox wheel, the simplified version. This model will not replace the Automoblox wheel exactly, so you're going to make the simple one, but you're also going to make the complex one in a second. Alright, so here we have our dimensions to make the wheel. We're starting from the inside and working our way out. Okay, so, oops, let's see, where am I at? So, I'm going to start with the YZ plane. Circle, and oh, I'm in millimeters. I don't want to be in millimeters, so let me close this. And I don't want to save. Let's see, new part. Let's try that again. Okay, now I'm in inches. Alright, so that dimension, the diameter is 0.440. So 0.440, enter. And it shows a circle on the inside that is 0.05 away. So I'm going to offset. Click on offset. Click on the circle. Offset it by 0.05. 0.05, enter. Okay. So we can see that that offset is 0.05 away. Alright, and then we're going to offset 0.35 outward. So click on offset, 0.35, enter, and then we have another 0.05 offset from this guy. Okay, so that's how we create this, and then you're going to extrude it to 0.57. Finish sketch, extrude, .57, and OK. Alright, so that's what we start off with. So we've created the wheel, we extruded both the outer and inner rings. And let's see, what's it say here? Create a new sketch on the flat face and use the project, blah blah blah, to create the face of the wheel. So use a mid-plane extrusion to extrude the ring distance 0.05. Oh, I get it. Okay. So we're gonna right-click on this, new sketch, click on project geometry of that, create a circle. Project geometry on this one. Create another circle to the outside. Just like that. Finish sketch. Extrude. We're going to do this guy right here. And that's 0.05. And there we have our mid-plane extrusion. Mid-plane extrusion. Oops. Okay. Alright, so we're going to create the face pattern. Place the new sketch on the exterior, blah blah. Sketch a closed loop to mimic the semicircular cutout shape. So that's this thing right here. You may use blah blah blah. Oh wait. That's going to be pretty straightforward. New sketch. Circle. Find the top here. And that is, what is it? 0.25? 0.25? Enter. You know what? That's kind of small. I bet they meant radius. So right click, dimension type, radius 0.25. There it is. So we're going to trim. So project geometry, click on that, click on trim, trim that. Cool. Now we click on, where is it? Circular pattern. We're going to click on that. We're going to click on the axis, which is this guy right here. We want that 5 times. Click OK. And then we're going to extrude cut. So finish sketch, extrude cut, all, and then click on oopsies, cancel. Oh, you know what? Let's go back into the sketch. Edit sketch. We need that outside circle. And then we can trim the things in between like that. Finish sketch. And then extrude cut. That didn't work. What happened? Extrude. Why is it doing that? No. Let's try that again. Alright, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with the extrusion. Let me give this another shot. Why is that happening? Haha. Your Autodesk Runner is so retarded to me every aspect of life. Okay, this is not working for me. There it is. Why won't it select the rest? Alright, so I'm going to show you another trick. I'm going to just do the one. Doesn't matter which one it's on. Let's go to circular pattern here. We're going to select that guy. And then axis is this guy. Make sure this says 5. Click OK. And there it is. So there's another trick to get the thing to do what you want it to do. Alright, so if we go to Tools and Material, we could find Steel Cast or Steel Galvanize. Click on this guy to bring it up and it'll actually change the material of the part. Okay. Alright, save as wheel your initials and then create the technical drawing for this part and you'll be done.